Hello everybody. So I am at my appointment. I'm about to do my microneedling session number 2. Sorry I didn't even get to do a full intro on this or even talk to you guys or chat or anything. I was like in a huge rush. I think I have like 5 minutes left and I have to go in there and I really have to go to the bathroom. So I will update you guys as soon as I get out of this appointment. I don't want to be late, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, so I just got out. I do feel like I'm a lot more red this time than I was last time. But yeah, so this is the aftermath of getting a microneedling facial done. I will explain to you guys more details once I get home. I just want to, you know, kind of get home and not get stuck in any traffic. But I will update you guys in a little bit, so bye! Hello everybody, so I'm finally back home from getting the microneedling done. This was the second session that I have done. Excuse this big breakout that I have on my nose. It's that time of the month, so I always break out around that time of the month, and that's why that happened. But I don't feel like I'm as red as I was when I first walked out of there. When I walked out of there, I was super red, and my drive home is about 40 minutes with the traffic, so I feel like it already kind of went down. I'm like looking in the mirror down here, but yeah, it did definitely go down a lot compared to when I first walked out. And let me kind of just get up close so you guys can see. So she pretty much again only did my cheek area. That's all that I wanted to get done. She really wanted to do a chemical peel on me, but I do need at least a day off from work, she said, when I start to peel. So I told her next month let's do that, and then I'll make sure to like set it up for work so that I can get the peel done. So I'm excited for that. I'll keep you guys posted on that. So I think the peel, of course, is going to help with like any of the darkness and the scarring and just pretty much like the color of the scars, to get rid of that and just kind of have more like even color all around. So once again, pain level, it was pretty much the same. It did not hurt. Of course, it's more of an uncomfortable feeling. That's the only thing I can really compare it to. It was funny because we were actually talking about it. One of my really good friends, Alejandra, which she watches my videos, so hello Alejandra. She went to go get it done and she was worried that it was going to hurt a lot. And she kind of brought up extractions if it hurts like that, and heck no, extractions hurt way freaking more. So Alejandra even agreed that it wasn't as bad as she thought it was going to be. So just in case if you guys are a little bit scared, do not be scared. I even was talking to Lola about it too, and she was like saying like, oh no, yeah, extractions are way more painful than this is. So it's a little uncomfortable. On some parts of the face are a little more sensitive, I think, to pain, so it hurts a little bit sometimes, but it's nothing bad. It's not. And yeah, I also got the she does like this like massage with using peppermint oil, and I highly recommend, if you guys check her out, do it. Oh my god, it's the most amazing thing ever. Your hair is gonna smell like peppermint, and it's just so relaxing. So that is it, you guys. Of course, I'm going to update you guys in a few days with the results. The first time I definitely saw results within a few days. I have my before and after picture on my last video. If you guys want to check that out, go ahead and watch my microneedling session 1. So you guys can see my before and after. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I did for my first video, where I follow up with you guys the next day, and then I follow up within a few days once the redness is completely gone and my skin is just back to its normal state. And I will show you guys what it looks like without makeup and of course with makeup. So I could definitely tell that my skin has gotten better after that first microneedling session. So I'm just super excited to see how perfect we can get my skin to be. I know it's going to be a long process, but I am very patient and I'm ready for it. So I know I'm in good hands with Lola, so I know she's going to take care of me. But let me go ahead and just do a quick little zoom in so you guys can see my skin right now, and then I will follow up with you guys tomorrow. So let's zoom in. So I don't know if you can tell, but a lot of it looks like it has skin growing, which is freaking awesome. They're definitely not as deep as they used to be. I think this is like what she wants to get rid of, like these like little marks. I think that's what she wants to get rid of with the peel. So now let me show you my right side. So you do bleed with this process, that's why it kind of looks like I have a little bit of dried up blood left. But again, if you guys do this, day one, you cannot do anything to your skin. Do not work out, do not go in a sauna, do not do anything that causes you to sweat, do not exfoliate. The only thing I can do today is pretty much just cleanse my skin. And that's about it. She said you can put on a serum, but it has to be like a super plain serum. Like it can't be a milky serum or like a creamy serum, nothing like that. Just a very plain serum. I think she uses pure hyaluronic acid on my skin when she's doing the microneedling, so I think you could do something like that. She also said I could do like a sheet mask, so I think tonight that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cleanse my skin and then throw on a sheet mask just so that it can like absorb into my skin. And that's it, you guys. So I will be sure to follow up with you guys tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hello, everybody. It is officially the next day after my second microneedling session. So a couple things are a little bit different this time around compared to the first time that I got my microneedling done. And I noticed them right away. So the first thing being that I'm definitely not as red on day 2, meaning today, as I was on day 2 the first time I got my microneedling. So I'm thinking it can either be two things. Either my skin is already getting somewhat used to it, so that's why it isn't as red today. Or it could be also because she put a like gel little mask thing that you could put underneath your eyes. She put that like right on my cheek area. So she just lowered them. Instead of having them under my eyes, she lowered them. And while I was getting my scalp massage, those were just sitting on my cheeks, and my skin pretty much soaked up all the serum that was in those little under eye masks. So I'm thinking that with that hydration, that's probably what really helped to just kind of reduce all redness today. So I'm definitely not as red today as I was last time. Also, when I took my shower, my face didn't feel very irritated or anything like that. It actually doesn't even feel dry either, which is awesome. So I think using a sheet mask after a procedure like this helps a lot. So what I did last night and what I did this morning was literally just cleanse my skin and then just put on a sheet mask, and that's it. The cleanser that I use is from Pacifica. I will go ahead and link it down below. Actually, let me go get it so I can show you guys. Alright, I'm back. So all I did was cleanse my skin. I did not use my Clarisonic. I literally just used my hands and some like warm water, and that was it. Don't use super hot water because it will irritate your skin. It will kind of burn. I use this cleanser from Pacifica. It's just their sea foaming one. It does foam up when you use it. It is cruelty free, which is exactly why I like it, and it is vegan as well, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, this is the one that I use. You can get this at Ulta or Target. That's pretty much where I buy it in both places. And then after I cleansed my skin, I just put on a sheet mask and I just left it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the one that I use is from Nature Republic. It is the hydrogel mask. I've used this one already like 3 times, so I'm throwing it away. I'm not using it anymore. But I used it last night, and then I used it again this morning, and I just let it sit on my skin and soak up immediately after cleansing my skin. That's pretty much it, you guys. I'm trying not to put anything on my skin that's going to be harsh. Tonight, I'll go ahead and cleanse my skin, and then I'll probably just go back in with my regular skincare using my Advanced Night Repair Serum from Estee Lauder. That's what I use. So I'll probably just use that again tonight. And that's it. Starting tomorrow, I should be able to do everything back to normal, other than, of course, exfoliating. Just have to avoid exfoliating. And that's it, you guys. So let me do a quick zoom in. I actually do notice a difference, believe it or not, in just one day. This area in specific she focused on because this is kind of where I have like the deepest scarring, like right in this like inner corner, and I feel like they are reduced big time. I'm super excited. My right side actually looks really smooth, super smooth. Again, this side is not as harsh as my left side, so I think that's why I can see a little bit better results on here. But yeah. So I'm not going to wear any makeup today, although I am able to. She said that you can wear makeup on day 2, but I'm not going to. I don't have anywhere to go, so I'm just not even going to do it. I'm just going to wait for tomorrow because I do have to work tomorrow in the morning. So I'll be sure to update you guys in the morning before I put on makeup, and then after I put on makeup so you guys can see. My skin does not feel as dry as it did the first time that I did microneedling, so I definitely think the sheet masks are key when you do this procedure. And that's it, you guys. I don't have any flakiness or anything like that. And again, I think that's just because I am more hydrated this time around. So that is my update, you guys, for day 2, and I will be sure to update you guys on day 3. Hello everybody, good morning. Today is day 3. It is March 29th. It is day 3 of my microneedling. I have officially put makeup on. I almost didn't record this today because I thought I was going to be late for work. I managed to get ready seriously within 5 minutes. And I'm going to make this super quick and short. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys my face before I put on the makeup. Like I said, I thought I was going to be late. I have a couple minutes to spare, and I'm just so freaking excited with how my skin looks right now. It's incredible. I can't believe the amount of days that it takes for you to notice a difference in your skin. It's only been what, we're on day 3, and I can already tell, and especially when you put on makeup is when you're going to be able to see it the most, because when you put on makeup it kind of like, you know, will accentuate the holes a little bit more. My skin looks so good. It makes me want to cry so bad. It's just so awesome that this is working. I highly recommend that you guys do this if you guys have texture and like the pitted scars. This stuff like literally works. I mean, of course I had my skepticism like in the beginning of whether it was gonna work or not, but like anything else, it's all about patience, and it's all about, you know, commitment and just going. So I'm so excited for the future of my skin. I'm in, so you guys could see. This is incredible. This is my right side. This is my left side. So I don't have too much time to spare anymore, but I will go ahead and make sure to show you guys what my skin looks like tonight when I take off all this makeup. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Good morning everybody. Today is March 30th. It is Good Friday today. It's actually the 4th day since I got my microneedling done. I know I said that last night I was gonna go ahead and update you guys when I had no makeup on, but I got home and I was just really wiped out from work and I pretty much just went to sleep. So today is the next day and I have zero makeup on. I just went ahead and applied all my skincare. My hair is up in a crazy bun because I have to get ready for work, but at least you guys can see my face better. So let me zoom in. So this is my left side. That's my left side. That is my right side. Left. Right. So to me, it just, everything looks like it got even smaller, but I do know why she wants to do a peel, because she just wants to get rid of like all this here, like all that coloring that you see on this side too, like all these. She just kind of wants to like even that out and get, and she said that it would help a lot with my breakouts as well. So the next time that I see you guys, I will be updating you guys about a chemical peel. So I'm really happy with the results of number 2. I'm super excited to do number 3, but like I said, we're going to do a chemical peel first, and then we're going to do a 3rd microneedling session. So of course I'm going to update you guys on every step that I take. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions at all about this whole process, let me know down below. I'm going to also link her Instagram and her website down below in case if you guys live in the area and you want to check her out. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.